Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you guys. And now that the festive season is right here, Ganesh Chaturthi aaj hai, Diwali aa rahi hai and there are so many festivals lined up. I thought this video idea is going to be amazing. So today's video I'm going to show you guys my glow up routine. कोविड की वजह से लोग पार्लर नहीं जा पा रहे हैं and you guys have to do everything by yourself. And this video is going to be amazing because I'm going to share a lot of DIYs, a lot of beauty tricks and everything you can do it at home with minimum amount of money. This is going to be a super affordable glow up routine. Trust me. So yeah, if you want to know how I go from this to this, then definitely keep on watching. For me, any spa or glow up routine always starts with hair. So let's tackle that first. This is like day 5 or day 6 hair. So it's super matted and dry and in desperate need of help. So the first step is oiling my hair. For that, I'm using Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil. A lot of you folks wanted me to try out their onion hair range. So that's what I'll be using in today's video. The best part is it also comes with the applicator. So it becomes super easy to oil the roots. This oil is silicone and mineral oil free and it's dermatologically tested as well. It suits all hair types and you will get 250 ml of this product for 599 rupees. This oil is a mixture of a lot of oils like sunflower oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, bringraj oil extract, amla oil extract, gruhal oil extract, brahmi oil extract, olive oil, onion extract, natural vitamin E, sesame oil, castor oil, redinzel, onion seed oil, lime and ginger essential oil. So it's packed with amazing oils that is great for hair growth and to control hair fall. Using the applicator, I'm going to oil my roots and gently massage the scalp to stimulate blood flow. Curly girls don't brush their hair every day, so massaging your scalp really helps a lot. Now that the roots are taken care of, let's move on to the lengths. For that, I'm adding 1 spoon of hair mask. You can use any hair mask. 2 spoon of aloe vera gel. I'm using the pure aloe vera gel from the plant. And 1 to 2 spoon of Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil. Depending on the length of your hair, you can take more. Mix it all in nicely and apply it to the lengths of your hair. This will add moisture to your ends and help with the detangling process. Once that is done, quickly detangle and braid your hair. Let's move on to the face now. First, I'm going to tackle my eyebrow and upper lip hair. For that, I'm using a wax strip. Cut it into 1-inch thick section, peel it and start waxing. I have a detailed video on how I do this, so if you're interested, then I'll leave it in the description down below. Using the same method, I'm going to do my upper lip as well. Once all the waxing is done, I'm going to use a few drops of almond oil to get rid of the remaining wax on my face. Next, using a razor, I'm going to shave my side peach fuzz. This is optional. I like to do it because the makeup application is much smoother and the skincare also gets absorbed properly. You can see all the peach fuzz and dead skin coming off. Go ahead and wash your face. The next step is a DIY peel-off mask. For that, add 1 spoon of unflavored gelatin, 1 to 2 spoon of milk and mix it well. Pop it in the microwave for a minute and the peel-off mask is ready. If you don't have a microwave, then do the double boiler method. Using a brush, I'm going to apply it on my face. Now you can apply this only on your nose or the area where you get a lot of blackheads and whiteheads or your whole face. It's literally your choice. Let it dry completely and then peel it off, and this peel off mask will get rid of all the gunk, blackheads and whiteheads on your face. It's so satisfying to peel it off and watch the gunk come out of your face. Wash your face and your skin is going to be super soft and glowy. I was breaking out earlier, so I applied another face mask for that, but you can apply any face mask depending on your skin needs. I keep it for 10 minutes and then wash it off. After all this pampering, my skin is feeling so soft and glowy. You can literally see the difference. I like to wash my hair the next day so the oil gets enough time to work its magic. For shampoo, I'm using Mamaearth Onion Shampoo with onion and plant keratin. This shampoo does not have parabens, sulfates and SLS. It's dermatologically tested, free from harmful chemicals and suitable for color-treated hair. You will get 250 ml for 349 rupees. Using a shampoo brush, I'm going to massage my scalp for a deeper cleanse. All Mamaearth products are chemical free and all natural and are now officially certified by PETA as cruelty free. Mamaearth is plastic positive, that means they recycle more plastic than they use, which is amazing. If you want to purchase their products, then use my code AMIN20 for 20% off at mamaearth.in. They are also available on Mamaearth, Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. Wash the shampoo off and now let's move on to the conditioner. For that, I'm using Mamaearth Onion Conditioner with onion and coconut. This is free from parabens, silicones and harmful chemicals. It is dermatologically tested and suitable for color treated hair, and you will get 250 ml for 349 rupees. Massage the conditioner onto the lens, detangle the hair and wash it off. I've recently started using their products, so let me know in the comments down below if you need a detailed video after using it for a good 3 to 4 months. I've just come out of the shower and look at my hair. It feels so soft and manageable, and it's so soft because of all the pampering we just did. And look at my skin. So glowy. I've not put any makeup on. This is just skincare and look at that glow. Look, it feels so soft and supple. That's what I really like about this routine. And for my hair, I've just put shampoo and conditioner because I'm gonna braid it any which ways. So I'll put the stylers then. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And as always, product ke links मैं description में दे दूंगी. Don't forget to use the code AMIN20 to get 20% off on mamaearth.in. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and the comment shout out goes to Harshit Sharma. Thank you for the comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.